Yo, what is up, you guys? Welcome back to another of my videos, and today I'll be showing you how to get a moving background for your desktop like you are seeing on my screen right now. These wallpapers are really cool. It's not just razor backgrounds, as you can see. You could get plenty different backgrounds that look like this. So what you're going to want to do is you want to go to Steam. You're going to want to go to the store and search wallpaper engine. Oop. Engine. Right there. Now, as you can see, it is $3.99. It doesn't. Oh yeah, right here, $3.99. But it is definitely worth the $3 that you're spending. It's really cool. So once you're done downloading that and you get the whole process, it'll bring you through some pretty easy steps. And what you should be able to do is you should be able to like open it after. It should bring you to this page. So pause the video until you do that, and I'll come back. So what you're gonna want to do after that is just basically look for your wallpaper. So let's say I want, let's just go look up like Deadpool or something. Oh, we have to go to Discover or Workshop. Yeah, Workshop. And then search Deadpool. There's plenty of them. I don't know if any of these are. It might be this one. Okay, so basically this one's like the teaser for Deadpool 2, right? So you're gonna just like subscribe. Just gonna download. It'll take a couple minutes. That's okay. Actually, let's not do that one. Let's do this one. Alright. Have it download really quick. This is like a soundtrack. And that's basically it. There's tons of different wallpapers. You can go to Discover and basically look at all those wallpapers. Superman, Naruto, all of these. Mercy from Overwatch, Red Assassin, Batman. But I personally really like this Razor one. If you want to find it, just look up Razor. It should be there. So, yeah, that's how you get live wallpapers for your desktop. And I hope you guys like this video. Please like and subscribe and comment down below what you think my next video should be on. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.